ready to unlock the power of crypto trading right from your pocket. Today, we're diving deep into the Coinbase mobile app, transforming you into a confident crypto trader on the go. First, if you haven't already, download the Coinbase app from your app store. Once installed, tap the icon to launch the app. New users will need to create an account, tap sign up and enter your personal details, including your name, email address, and a strong, unique password. Agree to the terms of service, and then tap create account. Existing users can tap sign in and enter your email and password. To comply with regulations, Coinbase requires identity verification. Follow the on-screen prompts to upload a photo of your ID, such as a driver's license or passport. This step helps ensure the security of your account. Now that your account is set up, let's explore the home screen. This is your central hub. You'll see your portfolio balance, a list of popular cryptocurrencies, and quick access to trading features. To buy crypto, tap the blue trade button at the bottom of the screen, then select buy. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. For example, Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to invest in your local currency or in Bitcoin. Review the details of your order, including the price, fees, and total cost. If everything looks correct, tap preview buy. A final confirmation screen will appear. If you're happy with the details, slide to confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you've just bought crypto on Coinbase. Selling your crypto is just as easy. Tap the blue trade button, then select sell. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to sell and enter the amount. Review and confirm the details, just like when buying. To stay ahead of the market, set up price alerts. Tap on a cryptocurrency, then tap the bell icon. You can customize alerts for price increases or decreases, helping you react quickly to market movements. For a hands-off approach, explore recurring buys. This feature lets you automatically purchase crypto at regular intervals, such as weekly or monthly, helping you dollar cost average your investments. Don't forget about security. Enable two-factor authentication in your account settings for an extra layer of protection. This is crucial for safeguarding your funds. As you become more comfortable, explore advanced features like limit orders. These allow you to buy or sell crypto at a specific price, giving you more control over your trades. Keep an eye on market trends, read news, and always do your own research. The Coinbase mobile app puts the power of crypto trading in your hands.